Hi, this is Mike Haber. Thanks for asking me, what is the attorney-client privilege? Before I answer that question, I want to make a few general observations about privileges. 1. Florida has several legal privileges, including attorney-client, accountant-client, psychotherapist-patient, husband-wife or spousal, communications to clergy, and others, most of which are found in Chapter 90 of the Florida Statutes, which is known as the Florida Evidence Code. 2. All legal privileges prohibit compelled disclosure of certain communications in court. For this reason, they can also be called evidentiary privileges. And the purpose of all legal privileges is to encourage open, honest communication by protecting specifically delineated confidential relationships. And 3, I've done a few other video FAQs on privileges, notably number 41, privileges in Florida generally, number 45, Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination, number 267, what is Florida's accident report privilege, and number 268, Florida's accident report privilege and DUI cases. As to the attorney-client privilege, it is a strict statutory rule that's found in Florida's Evidence Code, specifically at Florida Statute 90.502. It prevents private communications between a client and her or his attorney from compelled disclosure in court. Key features of the attorney-client privilege include 1. The privilege belongs to the client and prevents her or his lawyer from being compelled to testify about private communications. 2. The privilege extends to the lawyer's legal staff, but only applies to communications made in private with a mutual expectation that the information won't be shared with folks outside of that protected relationship. 3. A client can waive the privilege either intentionally or inadvertently. An example of a willful waiver is a client calling her or his lawyer to testify, and an inadvertent waiver example would be a client who forwards a confidential email between the client and her or his lawyer to a third party. 4. The attorney-client privilege never expires. It stays in effect after the case is resolved, after the attorney-client relationship ends, and even after the client dies. That said, I thank you for your question. I appreciate your having asked it. Please remember that at Haber PA, it's all about reasonable doubt. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be putting out more soon.